Welcome to Grand Canyon West. Take a deep breath. Let your eyes wander across this vast cathedral of stone. Imagine what it must feel like to soar, free and weightless, high above this timeless landscape, because in just a moment, you will. Take one more look around and get ready to fly.
All right, keep up together.
Back on solid ground. Take a moment. How did it feel? Were you thrilled, awed, or maybe unexpectedly at peace? One final thrill awaits, our off-road climb back to the rim. What is it about speed and risk that awakens something deep inside us? That makes us feel more alive? This journey may be ending, but there's always another ahead. Whenever you're ready to explore again, just come back to this channel. The adventure is waiting.